Geek. So one of the best things about being here in Laos and most of Southeast Asia is how far your money goes, especially if you're from a country like the United States. And even though that allows you to have a really great time, one of the best things that you can do with your money is actually help the people of these communities and different countries and cities. And that's what we're doing here today in Laos. We're actually going to be giving out gifts to the kids, books, pencils, bags, clothes, stuff like that, especially for those families in needs. And the kids and the teachers are all here today, so we're actually going to be handing out a lot of these gifts. And all the kids are here in the schools right now, and so hopefully these kids are going to really enjoy all the things that we're going to help provide to them, and maybe make their day a little bit more fun. So that's what we're doing here today with our family. Okay, so here they're bringing out some tables. The kids are bringing out some tables. We're setting this up so that we can lay out all the gifts and treats and stuff for the kids and the school. So there's the teachers and the kids over here. And let me kind of show you what we're here. So here it is. Here's the school and the kids there. So there's the classrooms right here. And the kids are just having a good time here in school, and they're gonna have a better time once we hand out all the stuff for them. And it is a beautiful day today out here. So this is about an hour drive outside of Vientiane, Laos. So it's like a small town. I don't really know what the name is, but this is typically how schools look out here in Laos. Okay, so we have all the items here for the kids in the school. So some snacks for them, shoes, clothes, and some soccer balls, so then they could have some fun out here, but also books and pencils as well. So all of these things will help out the kids and some of the families, the community, and hopefully they'll enjoy all these things, and also obviously get some stuff done for school. So we have all this stuff set up, and the kids are excited. They're all waiting here, so they're gonna really be happy to come out here, enjoy with their friends and stuff, all these items. So this is really, really important to me and our family, and it's just a really great feeling that you can help out a lot of people here, especially considering that some of these families, they really don't have much out here, and so it's great to be able to help them out, as the kids really need to enjoy their time being kids, and whatever little that we can do is fantastic, and it just makes me super, super happy, and absolutely one of the best things that we're able to do here. All the kids are coming up. We have things lined up and ready to go, so the teachers are trying to make sure everything is organized, and the kids cannot wait to come up here and sharing all the gifts. Hopefully we got enough. There's like 150 plus students, if I'm not mistaken. So they're gonna come take a picture here. All the kids right here. Right, so here they come. เอ้ได้เลยโอ้ยได้เลยได้ละดูกล้องเด้อ กล้องเด้อเด็กหน่อยเด้อโอ้ยออกมาแล้วเลย Okay, so we're taking pictures and all the kids are lining up as they're getting all the gifts and items ready. So the teachers are giving out gifts to the kids right here in an orderly fashion. The kids are super excited. And so are the teachers. They're really happy to, help out the kids here today. Hello. Đây đó. Ơi.
เป็นระเบียบขอบใจเขาดีลูกขอทำกินเรื่องของทำกินนี่ปอนึ่งบดนึ่งแง่แต่ว่าพ่อบ่เลยพ่ออยู่ตัวเดียวรายการ
Now we're giving out some further gifts over here, shoes, clothes, and then we have soccer balls, books, and pencils. So this is where the kids are going to actually have to, come up to the table, and then the teachers will be giving these out to the kids. And they're all waiting patiently, but so happy. And the teachers couldn't be happier as well as to see these kids every single day.
มีจังอันละให้เขาใหญ่กันบ่ครบว่าเราไว้เป็นข้าวร่วมให้เป็นห้องไว้ให้ห้องต่อได้ใช้น้ำกันเด้อบ่ได้ให้ผู้ใดผู้หนึ่งเด้อให้น้ำกันบ่ให้น้ำกันจะใช้น้ำกันนี่เด้ห้องใดนี่ใช้น้ำกันเด้อปอ3นี่ปอ4ยายเลยวะมันเหลือได้ยายเลยวะยายรถอ่ะคนละคนแล้วละเบอร์นี้เบอร์นี้เอาทุกคนเลยนะนี่ก็เลยเอาไว้เขาคนนึงเลยอันนี้นะรวมมาแล้วมันจะมีแล้วจะว่าเอาไว้เถอะอันที่คนที่เขาส่งเวลาเขาบุญนี่โซ่สินะใครว่าคนนั้นเด็กขนาดผู้ใหญ่เนาะโอ้ที่บุญเลยนะขนาดผู้ใหญ่อ่ะปุ๊บเด็ก
Okay, so the kids are heading back inside, and the teachers will hand out the recipes in class. Yeah, so didn't want the kids to be standing out here in the sun all day. And they are ready to get back into class. And the rest of this will be handed out to them. So, yeah, awesome. And I'm pretty sure during recess, when they bring the soccer balls out, they're gonna have a great time. The kids are getting their gifts, and they are super happy, and so are all the teachers. And it's just an amazing feeling. So if you do come to Laos or other parts of Southeast Asia, if at all possible, if you are able to do something like this, maybe get with people who you know or locals with the community, this is the best thing. I mean, especially seeing the looks on the kids' faces and how happy they are, getting some of these things that I think if we are in countries like the United States, that we might take for granted. And this is just an absolutely amazing feeling, seeing these kids super happy along with the teachers and everybody here. So that's today's episode. One of the best things I could say I've ever done here, along with my family and everybody else. So yeah, if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos here, and also things that we could do with the communities, I'll leave a playlist in the description area below or up here. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on another episode.